Hello, everyone. I wanted to share this urgent piece of information regarding the Blake Lively case, and please spread the word about this. So, gag orders may soon be coming out in the Blake Lively case, which is a big deal. And if that happens and you receive one, but you had nothing documented beforehand to help you fight the gag order, then you may be prevented from speaking up in certain ways. Essentially, this case may be headed for summary judgment, meaning it will not go before a jury if that happens, and the judge will rule on it. And despite that being incredibly unfair and absurd, we know that this judge does not seem to care about the law in any shape, way, or form, in my opinion, at least. And so, yes, there is a chance that this may happen. And gag orders could come pretty soon. I also made a video talking about the summary judgment situation. I don't know if I named it that in the video, but by the way. Anyway, the judge was also even calling people who were non-parties to the case, he called them third parties. So it seems like we know where he stands with things. Anyway, we are at a critical turning point in the Blake Lively lawsuit. Here is some more coverage and information on this from ASSwholemedia.com. A gag order can stop you, again, from talking about the case and so forth, even if you're telling the truth, even if you're a victim or just someone commenting online, potentially. If you get hit with one and you have not documented anything beforehand, to my knowledge, it can become much harder to fight back against a gag order, I believe. So you need to document everything. If you've been harassed, threatened, or fear retaliation, file something, whether it's a police report as appropriate or a declaration in court saying you are worried about retaliation. You can even potentially file a civil harassment report, I believe, depending on the circumstances, or attempt to submit an amicus brief. Once a gag order hits and you speak up in certain ways, they could claim that you're violating it in that situation, even if you're just defending yourself. So if you've already documented your fears in advance, you can argue that the gag order is retaliatory, you saw it coming, you have proof. So act now if this could apply to you, because once summary judgment is granted, that it could be a bad situation with the gag orders. Let this community know if you need help figuring out what to file or how to protect yourself. This is definitely serious.